Hey guys, today's collection of gadgets is on fire. Have you ever wanted an unusual keychain or wanted to feel like James Bond? Do you like gadgets that can do more than one thing? Watch till the end because you might be interested in some of the gadgets. As usual, the links to the products are in the description below. This slim, useful wallet has a lot of space for all your cards. Each slot can hold up to 6 cards in a safe way. The trigger function of one click makes it easy to get any card quickly. There is also a feature on the wallet that keeps it from being scanned. If you still want to use cash, there is a handy slip pocket for bills. The wallet, on the other hand, still looks sleek and classy. Real leather gives the item a more high-end sophisticated look, and of course you can choose from many options. In the wild, survival gear is important, but the lightsaber is the only device that has almost everything you'll need. First, it cleans drinking water quickly with UV power. It's easy to do and it will only take about a minute. Second, it has a loud siren that goes up to 85 decibels. It has a loud and a bright light that can flash in case of an emergency. This could be very helpful. Also, it comes with a separate tool for making a fire, since it makes a plasma arc at a temperature of 2000 Fahrenheit. It can be used in any weather. Lightsaber can be used as a portable charger in the end. Since it also has a USB connector, all you have to do to plug it in and charge it is a twister cable. With the wide, well-shaped handle, it might be easy. At least you can be sure that some great photos will be taken. Here is an innovative razor from Gillette that might make shaving a lot more fun for you. It has a warming bar that heats up in seconds and lets you choose between 109 degrees Fahrenheit and 122 degrees Fahrenheit. 5 blades and flexible dice make for a fast and comfortable shave. Changing the refills is easy and the razor is waterproof, so you can use it in the shower. The rechargeable battery lasts for up to 6 shaves on a single charge. When the battery runs out, you can put the razor on this beautiful magnetic dock which is included in the package. Rust and decay can make even the best razor blades less sharp and more likely to cut you. This razor cover is made of special plastic that emits molecular vapor shield that protects the blade and extends its life by up to 3 times. The cover easily stretches to fit most men's and women's cartridge, and there are some holes that let air flow through for quick drying. Men are trying to put everything on their keychains, so here's a tool that can be used for a lot of different things. The first thing you should always have in your pocket is a bottle opener. There is also a really strong match. It's made of oil, so the flame is very strong and won't go out in the wind. The tool is made of stainless steel, which gives it a high-end look and makes it very durable. This version takes a slightly different approach. It has a built-in nail file and clippers. And here's a cool odd lighter with a design that makes it stand out. The beautiful firestone mechanism is easy to use. The lid pops up quickly and the fire comes out. As you can see, it's pretty stable and strong. This one is powered by kerosene, but refilling the tank is easy. Just open the bottom compartment and pour the fuel in. Also, the lighter is made of high quality materials like brass and stainless steel, and it comes in a number of cool colors. This is how a man's lighter should look like. At last, there is a tool that will save your fingers when you are hammering nails. It uses some really tough plastic to protect your fingertips. This tool fits any hand size because it has elastic band, and it also has magnets to make things easier. The magnets hold the nail and stop it from buckling, which is just as helpful when starting screws. And here's a wearable gadget for people who like extreme sports. It's a remote control with Bluetooth, so you don't have to use your phone. You can control your music, start a voice assistant, or answer calls quickly with these big buttons. The gadget is of course waterproof and ready for any weather. It can also be used for motor sports, as its back has a lot of tiny suction cups that hold it firmly to the bike. This means you can keep your eyes on the road. If you're looking for something rough, this lighter is perfect for you. It's as rough as it looks, The sharp side opens up to reveal the butane tank, and all you have to do to start a fire is pull the lever on the other side. This one is great, but a triple bullet lighter is much better. With this one, you have to pull up the top and then press the button underneath. Refilling the gas is easy, and you can also change how bright the flame is. Most of the time we can't be as creative as we want because we don't have the right tools. But what if there was one tool that could replace an entire workshop? Well, there is, and it comes with several attachments that are easy to switch out. Second, there is a strong burning tool that can be used to change the look of the leather, plastic, and wood items. Next is this soldering tool that heats up to 940 degrees Fahrenheit in just 20 seconds. Feature is foam cutting, which is great for designers and architects who need to make a lot of models. We're not done yet, though, because the drill attachment supports a wide range of engraving, cutting, and grinding bits. Now that you have a small jigsaw and a good screwdriver, all your ideas can become real. Here's another toolkit that might be simpler but is still useful. It comes with 12 of the most common hex bits and 2 slots for your own. The tool is small and comes with a holster that makes it easy to carry. It also sticks perfectly to magnetic surfaces. The socket is made of hardened stainless steel, so it can't be broken. Magnetic retention keeps the bits in place while you work. The 2-inch bit extender is another great feature that makes sure nothing is out of reach. The tool made of innovative composite that is 40%, almost twice as light as titanium, and doesn't scratch your gadgets in your bag. Every time you trim your beard, there's a lot of hair and a lot of mess. Here's a solution that will take your beard routine to a whole new level. This cape reminds us of those in a barber shop, except it has 2 suction cups that stick to the mirror. Now you have your sink fully covered, so it stays perfectly clean. You can also create some extra space for all your trimming tools. This is the kind of gadgets you might see in a James Bond movie. At first glance, it looks like a regular watch. It has a stainless steel case and a wide strap that should be comfortable to wear. But here's the trick. There is a lighter built right into the watch. It's turned on by a small lever on the left side. Since it is a butane lighter, there is a hole for refilling the tank. This watch has the same idea, but the design is a little different. This time, the lighter is a separate module that attaches to the watch. If the first one looked like a spy gadget, this one looks like a laser scope that is usually put on guns. It also has a cigar cutter built in. The watch itself has a stainless steel case and a leather strap. The mechanism has 25 real jewels. The dial is protected sapphire glass that won't scratch, and the watch is completely waterproof. It's both stylish and tough, like a real agent.